creating a satin weave structure. Okay, so we're going to look at how the warp and the weft yarns interact to create a satin weave. And what I'd like you to look at here on the diagram is that the warp yarns, there's a lot of warp yarn going on. It's very, very visible. Okay, and this means that it's something called a warp-faced fabric, which means that it's the warp yarn that you see a lot of. Okay, and if you have a look, the warp yarns are very smooth, and then they just nip under one of the weft yarns, so very smooth, and then nip under. These are called floats, where they float over the weft yarns. Okay, so if I'm going to represent that, I'm going to represent how the weft yarn goes up, just over one, and then under lots and lots, and then over one. So I think it's a bit tricky from this angle. Okay. So it goes over one, under four, over one, and now the pattern moves two to the left. Oops. Okay. So again, it's just crossing at a few different points. Wrong way. So it's going under most of the warp yarns and then just over at one point just here. And then again, just crossing the weft yarns, just crossing the warp yarns. Just here. And again, just crossing the warp yarns just over here. Okay, and look at the effect that it gives us. It gives us the effect of having these really long warp yarns. Only just seeing a small bit of the weft coming through at key points, just enough to hold the fabric together. Look at what it gives us though. It gives us these, what might happen if something gets caught in those. Okay, I'll leave you with that question.